pro-level card trick, easy to perform, and blows people's minds. So check this out. These are the 4 travelers, and this is not an elevator. This trick happens so fast, I'm going to go as slow as I can go. Keep your eyes on the travelers. The 4 of hearts goes right there. The 3 of hearts right there. The 2 of hearts goes there. And the ace of hearts goes in the middle of what appears to be an elevator. Yeah, sure, you push the down button, it goes down. You push the up button, it goes up. But see, that's an illusion. Elevators don't go that fast. It's actually twin portals connected together, meaning if you place the 2 on top of this portal, it instantly travels to this portal. If you place the 3 over here, it travels over there. And the 4, it's just that fast. Way faster than an elevator. I hope you enjoyed that. This card trick is based on one of my own routines called the 3 Travelers. That trick was based on Ed Marlo's original elevator card trick called Penetration, first published in 1948. So if you're interested, I'm going to show you how to do it. Plus, if you stick around, I'll show you a quick performance and tutorial of the original Penetration card trick. But first, before we get to the revelation of how this card trick works, just remember, if you don't want to know the secrets, then watch no further, because once you know, you can't unknow. Let's give a couple seconds for those who don't want to know. Okay, time's up. You'll need a regular deck of cards. There's only one secret move to know, and it's well worth the effort to learn it and become a card wizard. The routine itself is easy, so I'm going to show the secret move first, and then we'll go through the entire routine step by step. Also, this routine is based on the one ahead method, meaning every card you place down on the table is actually the card ahead of the one you're showing. And keep in mind, there is much joy in being one step ahead. Okay, here's the move. You'll need the ace through 4 of hearts and a random card. We use the hearts because they pop and they give a way better effect than other suits. Put them in this order: random card, 4, 3, 2, ace. Turn them over and hold them like this. Your middle finger goes on this corner and pushes the opposite corner into your palm over here. That's where most of the pressure is going, and this thumb goes right there. Now you can bring the rest of your hand up, but this is how you're holding it. So the rest of the hand just comes up like this. And these 3 fingers are going to slide 1, 2, and 3 cards from the bottom away from the top 2 cards. So it's 1, 2, 3. Now you have the top 2 cards. It's a double. You're going to swing this around, turn it over, show the 4, square these up, flip it over, single push off 1 card and place it down. That's your random card. You're going to do this again, only sliding 2 cards this time. So it's 1, 2. Now you have the top 2 cards, swing them around, show the 3, square them up, single push off 1 card. That's your 4. Now you're holding 3 cards. It's supposed to be 2. So you can just smear over the first 2 cards, grab them, turn them over, show the 2, smear them over again, square them up, single push 1 card over, and that is your 3. The next 2 moves are optional. You don't need to do them to perform the trick, but I'm going to show you anyway. I did a ribbon spread. I grabbed the top card, came over here, lifted it up, and slid the cards along. I don't know if you noticed that card is a duplicate 2 of hearts. I placed it on top, and I did a triple in the hand false cut. Swing a third of the deck over into this hand, swing another third over, keeping a big break. Doesn't have to be a small break because nobody can see from the front. This third goes down. You grab this one, place it down, place it down. You've kept the card on the top. And speed, it's like this. This is how I started in the video. This is a double card hidden behind the 4. I grab the ace, I grab the 2, keep the 2 and the ace separated. The 3 goes in the middle as you pick it up, and the 2 and the ace are separated, so when you get that 4, if it separates a little bit, it's hidden behind the ace and the 2. So there's nothing wrong with just beginning with these 5 cards in your hand. Single push a card, single push, keep this as a double. Push the 3 up here, and you can do this little squiggly move. Looks like 4 cards, you put them back together, turn it over, and you're ready to go. So this is the routine, step by step. Your cards are in the order I showed you, and your duplicate 2 is on top of the deck. Do the first move, 1, 2, 3. Bring these 2 cards around, show the 4, square these up, flip it over, single push off 1 card. That's your random card. Do the next move, 1, 2. Bring these 2 cards around, showing the 3, flip it over, single push off 1 card, which is your 4. You're going to do a double lift, push 2 cards over, flip them over, show the 2, flip them over again, square them up nice and neat, single push over 1 card, that's your 3. This is 2 cards. You're going to show them as 1 as you come around and show the ace. This is actually your ace and your 2. Show the ace, place it on top of the deck as you grab the entire deck and bring it over. Peel the top card off, which is actually your 2, and place it somewhere in the middle. Square it up, and the ace comes to the top. Pick up the deck, cut the deck in half, swing it over. You're going to grab this, pull it over, and tap, drop, and drop. Now the reason for that is instead of just doing this, when you do this fast, it's a little confusing, and you want your spectators as confused as possible. So now take the 2, place it on top of here. It instantly travels over here. This is all automatic from here. You can have fun with it. Place your apparently supposed to be the 3 over here, and it travels over here. And the last card is supposed to be your 4. Turn this card over slightly before you show this one. It's like a double whammy, and that is how you do that. Here's a little tip regarding the random card. It should be a good contrasting card to the ace, 2, 3, and 4. I mean, let's say your random card was this, and you're down to the last little move here, and you go, the 4 goes over here, and you go boom, and it's the 4 of diamonds. Or this card, place it here, boom, and it's the 5 of hearts. Also, not too spectacular, is it? So I would definitely recommend using spades or clubs, and no ace through 4 of anything. So for an added effect, you could have someone sign the 4 of hearts, if you don't mind wasting cards. And when their card goes on this portal, it instantly travels to the other portal. Their signed card. So this is the original penetration card trick. Begin with the ace, 2, and 3 of hearts and present them in this way. Ace of hearts, 2 of hearts, 3 of hearts, 3, 2, 1. The ace goes on the bottom and it comes to the top. The 2 is placed on top and it goes to the bottom. And the 3 in the middle and it comes to the top. And that is penetration. Not as exciting as portals, but still an awesome card trick. Begin with the ace, 2, and 3 and a random card on the bottom. It doesn't matter which random card it is because nobody's ever going to see it. And you're going to present them in this way. The hidden card is on the bottom, 3, 2, and ace. Hold them together. You're going to peel off the ace, flip it over, peel off the 2, flip it over, and this is a double. You're going to hold it together, flip it over, and deal off the top 3 cards. It's automatic from here. Place the deck on top of there. The ace comes to the top. The 2 goes on the top, which is actually the 3. 2 goes on the top, and it shows up on the bottom. And the random, this is the random card, goes in the middle. It's gone now, and there's your 3. And that's it.